All right, let's take a deep breath and recap everything we've learned about AWS storage solutions. From understanding why storage is so important to getting hands-on with EBS, S3, and EFS, we have covered a lot of ground. Let's bring it all together and see how these pieces fit into the bigger picture. Ready? Let's go. We started by answering a simple but important question: why we need storage. We talked about storage being the backbone of almost everything we do in the cloud. We also explored the types of storage: block storage, object storage, and file storage, each having its own strengths. Next, we took a high-level look at AWS storage solutions. We saw a wide range of AWS services to meet different storage needs, from high-performance block storage with Amazon EBS to scalable object storage with Amazon S3. Then, we dove into Amazon EBS, Elastic Block Store. We talked about how EBS provides persistent block storage for EC2 instances, which is perfect for databases and applications that need low latency access. We also explored EBS volumes and snapshots. We talked about how volumes are like virtual hard drives, while snapshots are backups of those drives. We also talked about EBS multi-attach feature, which allows multiple EC2 instances to attach to the same volume, great for high availability setups. We even got hands-on with EBS, creating volumes and attaching them to instances. Remember how we set that up? That's the kind of practical skill that will serve you well in the real world. After EBS, we moved on to Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service. We discussed how S3 is an object storage designed for scalability, durability, and accessibility. We also talked about S3 storage classes, which let you optimize costs based on how often you access your data. From frequently accessed data in S3 Standard to long-term archives in S3 Glacier, there's a storage class for every use case. And of course, we got hands-on with S3, creating a bucket and uploading files. Remember the static website we hosted on S3? That's the beauty of S3. Finally, we explored Amazon EFS, Elastic File System. Remember, EFS is shared file storage that multiple EC2 instances can access at the same time. We talked about it being ideal for use cases like content management systems or shared development environments. We also got hands-on with EFS, setting up a file system and mounting it to an EC2 instance. And that's a wrap on AWS storage solutions. You've learned about the different types of storage, explored key AWS services like EBS, S3, and EFS, and even got hands-on with setting them up. I hope you enjoyed this section, and I will see you in the next section.